Welcome to Crash Course Hotels.
Welcome back. In this episode, we take a good look at the Holiday Inn Express Bangkok Sathorn. This is the entrance area outside. Nice little area if you get dropped off by your Grab. And there's a coffee shop immediately outside, as you can see. Lots of things in this immediate area. Here's a look inside the lobby. You can tell I visited during the holidays. They were being quite festive. I always like it if I can buy ice cream without leaving the hotel, so +1 on that one. And they do have some computers if you need to make use of these. Decent sized lobby at this location. And they do have somebody here to help you if you need to arrange setting up a tour. Stepping into the room. See, you have a little table set up there in the corner, as well as a chair. You need an additional chair to sit in. I wouldn't say the room is large, but it's definitely not crowded, which is nice. Here you can see they had a little closet area to the side, along with all of the things you need. Here's the tea and coffee setup. You've got your safe and mini fridge. A little open closet area for you to hang your clothes. No robes, but they do include slippers here. Stepping into the bathroom. I'd say a small side as far as the sink is concerned. There you can see the toilet with the bum gun. And you're able to walk in, and it's a stand-up shower with the detachable head.
If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review.
This location has a laundry room. Always appreciate that while you're on the road. They do have a couple machines for washing as well as drying. And you can see they have the pull-out iron and ironing boards. Always nice to have this when you're on the road. It's funny, you really don't think of it until you're a full-time traveler, and all of a sudden it becomes a very big deal. So, nice amenity to have here at this Holiday Inn Express. Here we have the gym. It's a small gym, but it does look out onto the street. You can see what's going on outside. There's more machines around the corner, but there were folks in the gym, so I tried to be discreet with that. Here's a look at breakfast. Nothing fancy, but definitely all of the standard options you'd expect. Get our coffee here. You can make a hot chocolate. They have plenty of juices. One of the things that I don't show here is they do have a little slip on the tables. If you want made to order eggs, they can take care of you. You can see we've got some veggies. I've got where I really like the vegetables and the oyster sauce. Fried noodles. I need to stay away from those, but you can see I couldn't help it. Some breakfast sausage and ham. They usually have a couple porridge types dishes. Here they already have eggs. If you prefer sunny side up or boiled, they've already got them preset for you. Otherwise, you can have them make them for you. Here they have the toast maker along with some pastries and yogurt, of course, and a little small salad setup.
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.